Cooking with Ava. Today we're going to be making a beautiful, delicious chocolate cake.
Oh, yeah.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, laughed at the jokes you made.
Oh yeah.
Wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on
Now
me.
Cooking with Ava. Today we're going to be making chocolate cake with my assistant, Kara. Let's get started. We're going to need 2 cups of white sugar, 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup of veggie oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. So you can eat your food. In a large bowl, stir together the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda, and salt. Add the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Mix for 2 minutes on medium speed. After the batter has been mixed, add your boiling water. Preheat your oven to 350. Now grease your pan with coconut oil. Now we're going to coat the pan with flour so the cake doesn't stick to the pan. Now we're going to pour the batter into the pan. Flour. Now we're going to put our batter into the oven. Put your cake in for 30 minutes. Wear gloves so you don't burn your hands. For the icing, you're going to need 2 3/4 cups of icing sugar and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, and 6 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 5 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start by creaming the butter, then add the dry ingredients and the milk slowly. When the timer finishes, quickly check the cake to make sure it's fully cooked. Hold the cake out and let cool for 20 minutes. Now the cake's done, we're going to add our icing onto the cake.
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring.
Thank you for baking with Ava the Pig. Make sure you subscribe and comment.
Waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me.
Put that down.
That is one good